So I wanted to show you guys where I'm staying because this is a really cool house. It's actually a container house plus a tree house, and it was completely designed by a German couple. The wife actually traveled all around the world doing documentaries on tree houses, and she was inspired to build this house here in Nosara, Costa Rica in Playa Pilata. So I'll show you guys. It's literally a container house up in the treetops, and it's 2 stories. And so the main house is down here, and then I stayed up in the actual treehouse pod, which is over there. And it's just really nice because it's basically indoor-outdoor living. So you really feel like you're living in the treetops because you are. A nice bonus is that the river is just down the street, so there's a really beautiful beach, really quiet with a river mouth, and it's super picturesque, and it's just really quiet and peaceful up here. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of the treehouse, and if you have any questions, don't be afraid to comment below and we'll answer you. Goodbye treehouse and goodbye Nosara. Till next time.
Gracias por venir. Chao. Regresen.
Bye Bernice.